walk, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what are you doing now?
Taking the nut off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it keeps falling.
That's okay. There you go.
One left. And then we'll be done.
That's right. Got it?
There's just 2 more left.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Putting the wash tank on
Mm-hmm.
and the nut on. Next, I'm getting it started. I can get it started.
Okay.
Got it started. Yeah, it's already tight.
All right, good job. Hey, high five, brother.
Now we're done.
High five. Good job.